Imagine savoring a slice of fresh, homemade pizza with your favorite toppings. Making pizza at home is not only fun, but allows for endless customization and ensures the freshest ingredients. To get started, gather your materials: pizza dough, pizza sauce, shredded cheese, and an assortment of toppings like pepperoni, bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions. Begin by rolling out the pizza dough on a floured surface. Aim for even thickness and neatly shaped edges. Next, spread a generous layer of pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a border around the edges for the crust. Now it's time to add the shredded cheese. Sprinkle it evenly over the sauce to ensure every bite has cheesy goodness. Then, add your desired toppings. Remember to balance flavors and not overload the pizza. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees, 245 degrees. Place your pizza on a pizza stone or baking sheet. Using parchment paper can make this easier. Bake until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. This usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Check for doneness by looking for a golden brown crust and fully melted cheese. Once done, let the pizza cool slightly before slicing it into equal pieces. Serve and enjoy the satisfaction of your delicious homemade pizza. It's fresh, customizable, and incredibly rewarding. Try it tonight and discover how simple and enjoyable homemade pizza can be.